Hey everyone! Adding custom indicators or strategies to TradingView is the best way to move beyond standard tools and build a personalized trading system. Here is how you navigate the 2026 interface to get your custom code onto a live chart. Step 1. Opening the Pine Editor. We are starting on the TradingView chart. We're heading to the bottom of your screen because that is where the engine room of the platform lives. We do this to access the Pine Editor, the dedicated space for writing and executing custom Pine script code. At the very bottom of your chart interface, click the tab labeled Pine Editor. This will slide up a text window where you can see the platform's native programming space. You should do this because even if you didn't write the code yourself, you need this editor open to paste external scripts or modify existing ones. Step 2. Preparing your workspace. Now we are in the Pine Editor. We're heading to the Open menu to create a fresh file. We do this to ensure your new script doesn't accidentally get mixed up with the default template code. Click the Open button in the top right corner of the Pine Editor. Select either New Indicator for visual analysis tools or New Strategy if your code is designed to execute trades. Once the new file opens, select all the default text inside and hit Delete. This gives you a clean blank canvas. Step 3. Pasting and saving the code. We're heading toward the deployment phase. This is where you actually input your custom logic. We do this to register the script into your personal TradingView library. Paste your Pine script code into the editor. If you encounter a glitch where the code won't paste, try opening the Pine editor in a separate browser tab to refresh the connection. Click the Save button and give your script a descriptive name. This is essential so you can find it later in your My Scripts folder. Step 4. Visualizing on the chart. We're finishing at the Add to Chart step. We do this to finally move the code from the editor and turn it into a visual tool on your live price candles. The goal is to confirm your script is working as intended and providing the insights you need. Click Add to Chart in the top right of the editor. Your custom indicator will now appear on your chart. You can now close the Pine Editor tab at the bottom to maximize your viewing space. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.